Come on along. See, I'm back again. I gotta show you what I've been up to. What you been up to, Mike? You know, stuff, as the boys would say. Oh, geez, I gotta put my glasses on for everything. Everything. Look at my bald head. Anyways, up here, I was showing you before. Let's see if I can get up there and look at that. Those two things are magnets. Oh, get your right spot here, Mike. This here. You see them black things? I painted them black. That's why they're black. Because I painted them. Anyways, I can see the light. So, back to it. These two things are connected to the levers up in the cab. Magnet, piece of steel. Magnet, piece of steel. So this was all corroded and just crap. So I tidied everything back, cut everything this was factory, and there was a plug there and everything was getting green. So I just cut everything back and put these little, good way to do is just put shrinky dink on there and pinch it tight. That way you don't have to worry about it anymore. And then I had to mount, there was a plug spot right here where my finger is. And regrounded these two coils, because the grounds were both shot, and then number 96 and number 95 out of this wire harness, I determined through reading reading the book that that's what the two signals come from to energize those coils. And it's really it's kind of neat and stupid simple how they do it, and I'm going to show you if you're all interested. And maybe you are, maybe you're not, but whatever. I'm going to show you how it works. So those two had a little bit of an issue because you got to leave these two little flopper plates kind of loose. That's what was part of it, was these weren't loose enough because they got to lay flat on there. Nothing's perfect. The handles, the levers get wear in them. So they got to just kind of sit on there like that. At first I had them snugged right up, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to climb up my little handy dandy ladder and operate the machine from outdoors. Turn the key on. Oh, look at the gauges. So, this here's the sensor for the all the way up. When the boom comes all the way up, the lift arms, the metal should not hit that, it's a proximity switch. Comes up to it, it kicks out the hydraulic lever. This is the indicator for the bucket level. And right now I have it set up for snow plowing, and I took it off, so it's right here. And you should see a light on it here shortly. If there's metal in front of it. Now watch. I don't know if you can see that. So when that rod comes up into that holder, the rod comes in that proximity, boom, kicks the hydraulic lever out. Watch what I mean. Now watch, this won't work. Okay, so now the magnet is working. It's holding the rod back, holding the spool back. So the bucket would be tipping up, and the main lift, whoop, I got them both to work. Okay, so the main lift is working also. Now I'm going to go ahead and trip that. I don't know if I can do, I can't do two things at once. So what I'm going to do is just wave this thing in front of that, and you watch. There you go. I think the other one just goes because I know that one doesn't work. At least it didn't work. No. I got to replace this if I want that one to work. So it'll just stay on and it'll snub out the hydraulics. but I'm rarely ever going up that high with that one. So, but this is the one that's most used. When you're coming down, you put your, or when you're bringing your bucket back up, you want to level it every time you go into the third pile or whatever. And once you set that rod, you're always there. I know on newer stuff it's different. That's the way it goes on newer stuff. I don't have newer stuff. I got to fix my older stuff. So that was my project for today. And I got it pretty much done. Now I got to find something else to get into because that's what I do. You know, they're actually, Volvo back in the day was pretty good. You actually got the book here. And right there, MA20 and MA19 are the coils. SE33 is automatic lifting and automatic bucket control. And then you just follow the wires, and there's 31 is common. And where was 96? 96 and 95 coming from those relays. So that's what energizes them coils. Snap in. These two, S35 and SE33, are the things up on the boom. They are those little proximity switches. So that's my video of the day. Boy, that sun is, it's like 20 below out. So I'm sticking close to the shop because that's what I need to do. Why get cold if you don't have to? All right, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. If you don't, sorry. It's the way it goes sometimes.